Namaskaram friends, welcome to StockEdge. Myself Tufan from the StockEdge team. If you are not aware, StockEdge is a SEBI registered platform, right? So let's start with crude oil because you all know that currently we are going through very uncertain phase, lot of volatility in the market because there is war. Previously it was tariff and now it is Israel versus Iran, right? So yesterday in my video I explained about this crude oil. And you can see that today crude oil, that is WTI crude, jumped by more than 12%. And the previous breakout zone, this particular zone was 72.14 and currently it is hovering around 72.85. So that is still above this breakout zone, right? And on the other hand, I would also like to share gold. What has happened to gold? I'm directly going to gold future in MCX. So you can see that last time our MCX gold future missed 1 lakh mark by approximately 640 points, and today it opened with a gap up and it is currently hovering around 1 lakh zone, and that is higher above this particular previous high. So this is very, very significant. Clear? Now I would like to share dollar index because this is also very vital to track the emerging markets. So this is the chart of dollar index daily. Now I would like to show you the monthly chart, then I'll come to daily. So in this monthly chart of dollar index, that is DXY, you can see that I have extended an upward sloping channel which extends from 2007. Clear? And every time it came towards this support, it bounced back. It came towards this support, it bounced back. And currently it is exactly hovering above this particular secular support level, and it is around 98.43 right now. So this is also very significant because if it moves higher, then money will flow out from emerging markets and India will not be spared. Clear? Now related to this particular thing, let me show you Nifty. So in Nifty you can see that yesterday, though there was a big red candle, but it managed to close above this 20-day SMA of this Bollinger Band. Clear? But today, due to this war, market opened with a gap down. It was down by approximately 400 points. Now what has happened on intraday basis? Let me just open the 5 minutes chart. So you can see that market opened lower, 400 points down, but gradually there was buying and it closed around 24,735. Thanks for the support from broader market and specifically Bank Nifty, because without Bank Nifty it wouldn't be possible for Nifty to surge higher. Now let me show you the weekly chart of Nifty because that also holds lot of importance from here on. So for the last few weeks, you can see that Nifty is hovering around a crucial tight zone, and currently it has formed a dark cloud cover. This particular two candlestick pattern is basically a dark cloud cover. First there is a green candle and then there is a red candle. That red candle opened higher and it engulfed more than 50% of this green candle. Theoretically, or as per classical technical analysis, this resembles bearishness. But I am not saying that market will come down because you have to track how this weekend goes, because this war can play a big role or a major role behind this movement. Clear? Now let me show you Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, you can see that here it has formed a bearish engulfing pattern. This is a 2-day candlestick pattern. First, there is a green candle and then there is a red candle. And this current week's candle, that is the red candle, fully engulfed this green colored candle, and hence it is known as bearish engulfing pattern, which again, as per classical technical analysis, is a bearish pattern. Clear? Now let me show you Nifty mid cap. So in this Nifty mid cap, you can see that previously when it opened lower, after that there was an uptrend. Here again it opened lower, there is an uptrend, and today also it opened lower and gave a closing above this 20-day SMA of Bollinger Band. But the important fact that you need to remember here is today's high has not crossed yesterday's low. There's a small gap compared to yesterday's low and today's high, so that plays a significant role as well. So please do track the global market minutely in this weekend, because this weekend is going to be very, very important, because we don't know how Iran is going to retaliate and how Israel will going to unfold the actions again. Clear? I hope I could throw some light related to the current market circumstances. Let's have a great trading session on Monday. Goodbye.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.